Looking for an AI video generator that gives you free credits? In this video, I introduce two options that I have tested and approved, and they leave no watermark on your videos. And I'm not just talking, see these videos? I made them with these exact AI tools. Your own eyes are all the proof you need. The AI tools I mention right now are being extremely generous. So act fast, because this free access may not last long. Watch the video until the end, and I will show you how to use them like a professional. I promise you won't regret it.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman. This is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to a new tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
The first platform is Gemini GenAI. First, we need to create an account. To keep it quick and easy, I'm signing in using the register with Google option. We get redirected to the Video Gen page where you can create videos directly. But this platform also offers other features like chatting with AI bots in the Chat with AI tab and generating images in the Imaging tab, which aren't the focus of this video. Here's some good news and bad news. After creating an account, we get 10 tokens, which is less than before, but it's still free. Let's create our first video. In the Select Video Generation Provider section, we have 4 models: Veo from Google, Grok, the one Elon Musk is backing, and options from Meta and ByteDance. I'll set the provider to Grok. Generating videos with this model is completely free, although it does come with a small resolution limitation. Now I'll switch the provider to Veo. As you can see, it clearly says free on Veo 3.1 fast, which means no tokens are deducted when you generate videos with Google's model. I'll paste in a prompt I prepared earlier. For the aspect ratio, we've got landscape and portrait. I'm choosing 16:9. The resolution is currently set to HD 720. I'll keep the duration at 4 seconds for now. Let's hit generate video so our prompt goes into the processing queue. After a short wait, here's the text-to-video result. The quality looks great. I had a Pixar-style 3D look in mind, and the AI nailed it. Even the rabbit's movement feels natural and believable. It's honestly impressive. Below the video frame, there's a download video option that gives us the file in MP4 format. Let's increase the duration for the next generation. This time I'm setting it to 8 seconds, and now generate video. That's it. After another quick processing time, we get a longer version of the video. The result is really satisfying, and honestly, that's exactly what you'd expect from Veo 3.1. Now I'll swap in a realistic style prompt and send it with the same settings. After just a short wait, as you can see, my text is turned into video, and it's still hard to believe. My prompt was about a beautiful, attractive, happy 22-year-old woman with a bokeh background, smiling and wearing a red outfit, and it all came out exactly as described. What more could you want? To sum it up, I was expecting bugs, like characters with 6 fingers, but the videos turned out natural with solid physics. Even on the free plan, the processing time wasn't long. The videos are generated without any watermark, and the lower resolution on the free plan is totally understandable. Based on what we've seen, this platform is definitely worth trying. I'd really love to hear about your experience with it too. The second platform is MindVideo AI. Honestly, not many people have talked about this one. Do you think it might surprise us? It's an all-in-one platform with text-to-video, image-to-video, and a variety of AI effects. You can even use the brand new ChatGPT Image 2 model completely free. Here, you can also create an account using Gmail or your personal email. But here's the key point. After logging in, as you can see in this pop-up, As of May 2026, the new MindVideo video model is available completely free for all users. There's a chance that as the model improves, it might switch to paid soon, just like many others have. Next to the profile icon, there's a daily credit option. I click check-in and claim 2 credits and receive the bonus. You can do this every day. From the left menu, I make sure we're in the text-to-video section. Now let's check the drop-down for video models. We've got Seedance 2, Kling 3, Grok, Sora 2, Pixverse 5.6, and the required credits are listed next to each one. In this list, Sora 2 Beta is also marked as free. Among all these big names, I'm selecting MindVideo itself. Have you heard of it before? Let's test it together and see if it's worth it. I'll paste in a prompt I prepared earlier. In the aspect ratio section, there's a good variety of horizontal, vertical, and square formats. I'll go with 16:9. For video length, we can choose between 6 and 10 seconds. I click Create to generate the first video. The processing queue takes a bit longer this time, but eventually the video is ready. Let's watch it. My prompt was about an orange Lamborghini driving on a mountain road, and the model understood it pretty well. Below the video frame, there are options like video edit, video extender, AI sound, and lip sync, which I'll cover in a separate video. One thing I forgot to mention, when you create an account, you get 17 tokens, and with daily check-ins, you can add 2 more credits. You can even earn more tokens this way. I've also generated videos using the Sora 2 model, which you can see here. I'll put the prompts I use for these scenes in the YouTube description. Go try them out yourself. To wrap it up, I created a lot of videos using MindVideo on the free plan, and honestly, most of them turned out better than I expected. There were some bugs in a few generations, which I'll show you. For example, in this test, the car's movement doesn't follow real-world physics at all. Also, when using the Sora model on the free plan, the resolution is a bit limited, which makes sense. One downside was the processing time. I literally went to make a coffee and came back by the time the video was ready. But that's probably because we're on the free plan and placed at the end of the queue, which is fair. The good news, the part you'll love, is that the videos have no watermark. So enjoy it. I'd really like to know which one you prefer between the 2 platforms I introduced, MindVideo or Gemini Gen. But don't think this is where AI video tools end. In the next videos, I'll introduce even more powerful tools. If you know any interesting AI that I didn't mention, drop it in the comments so we can all benefit. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and definitely share your thoughts in the comments.